Top 10 marketing strategies for battery store. Number 1. Design a brand kit and packaging of world-class quality. Number 2. Create a 360-degree marketing strategy for both online and offline campaigns. Number 3. Organize a launch event and invite notable people and media professionals. Number 4. Hire influential public figures to market your battery products. Number 5. Advertise batteries on Facebook and Google display ads. Number 6. Don't ignore outdoor marketing. Gain optimum attention. Number 7. Create a large contest and prize campaign, such as a Hawaiian vacation package. Number 8. Make batteries available on your e-commerce site and Amazon. Number 9. Set up a formidable funnel using email and retargeting ads. Number 10. Innovate batteries with IoT technology. For example, if a battery runs out of oil, send a reminder to the owner. If you are looking for any kind of digital marketing help, check out Brainido's Digital Marketing Marketplace. Find all services at one place and get started for free.